Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the first three questions of 44873 div 2 round. So let's start with the first question. Okay, I hope you have read the question. The question statements are quite easy, so you can understand. So let's start with the explanation. So for solving this, what we can do is let's check the first n natural numbers. Say 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. So what is their sum? N into n plus 1 by n plus 1 by 2, right? So there are two cases. If n is odd and n is even. Suppose n is odd, then n will be equals to 2 into integer n plus 1. So what will be the sum? Sum will be 2m plus 1 divided by 2m plus 2 by 2, right? That is 2m plus 1 into m plus 1. So as you can see, the sum is already divisible by 2m plus 1, right? So if we are if n is an odd number, we can directly print the first n natural numbers, right? So all of these conditions will be satisfied by then, right? Now the other tricky case, a bit tricky, right? N equals to 2n, that is an even number. So what we will do? The sum becomes 2m into 2m plus 1 by 2. So this thing is not divisible by 2m, right? So what we can do is a simple thing. Let me erase this part. Yeah. So what we can do is just multiply both sides by 2, right? Okay, let me do it using 2m so it will be more clear. Right. 2m and it will be 2m into 2m plus 1 by 2. Now this side gets multiplied by 2, right? So both of them are to get cut. Now this term is divisible by the n or 2n. This is n actually, right? So our algorithm is if n is odd, n is odd, then print first n natural numbers, else for I equals to 1 to n, print I into 2. So see, this is the same series, like this one is 2, 4, 6, 8, and up to whatever the n is, right? So we are done with the first question. Let's move on to the next question. Let me write this one. So in this question, mm, we are given a permutation. So I hope everyone knows what the permutation is. So we have to sort a given permutation, and we are also given the permutation is always unsorted in the input, right? So we have to somehow sort it. But while sorting, we are given only a definite operation, that is this. We will select two indices such that the difference between both the indices is k, right? And we can swap those the values at those two indices. Now we have to find the maximum value of k. So let's check this. Since it is a permutation, let's say let's take this example. The third one, 4, 2, 6, 7, 5, 3. Now let's check the position of all the elements. So, well, actually, our algorithm is first we will find the what should be the actual position of each element. As it is a permutation of position of each of these elements will be one for same element. That is, one will be one for one, two for two, up to n for n, right? So first store the position of each of the elements given in the input. Okay, and we put it. The position is 1, position of 4 is 1, position of 2 is 2, position of 6 is 3, position of 7 is 4, position of 5 is 5, position of 3 is position of 3 is 6, and position of 1 is 7, right? Now what we're gonna do is uh, we'll check the difference between the position of each of the elements in the input array and the actual position. So the position of 4 should be 4, right? So it should be 4. It should be 2. It should be 6. It should be 7. It should be 5, 3, and 1. So what are the differences? Let's store them somewhere. That will be 3, 0, 3, 3, 0, 3, 6. Now we have to find the maximum k, right? So what we can do is take the GCD of all this. That will give us our answer. What is the GCD? 3. Is it the answer? Let's check. The third one. Yes, it is. So that's what we need to do. Then check the code right here. Minded we are using a one base indexing. So I've given the comment too. We know the position. We store the position in an array. You could have used the map too. So I stored it here, and then I check the difference between the actual position that should be in the sorted array and the position in the input array, and took the GCD of all. Now why you took answer as 0? Because GCD of 0 and any integer, not also not 0 or maybe 0, is x itself. Like GCD of 0 comma a equals to a. Right. That's what I wanted to say. So I will discuss question C in the next video.